कांग्रेस के सवालों के बीच अब पार्टी के ही सीनियर नेता सलमान खुर्शीद का बड़ा बयान सामने आया है। पूर्व विदेश मंत्री सलमान खुर्शीद ने कहा है कि यह कहना बिल्कुल गलत है कि भारत ने पहले पाकिस्तान से संपर्क किया। उन्होंने साफ किया कि सीज फायर की कॉल भारत की तरफ से नहीं बल्कि पाकिस्तान के डीजीएमओ यानी डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ मिलिट्री ऑपरेशन की तरफ से भारत को आई थी। इसके साथ ही उन्होंने अनुच्छेद 370 को हटाए जाने पर भी बयान दिया और कहा कि इससे जम्मू कश्मीर में अलगाववाद की समस्या काफी हद तक खत्म हो गई है।
The call came from the DGMO of Pakistan and it came to the DGMO of India, and we stopped when they said let's stop, but for several hours after we had said that we will stop, and we then didn't send any further attacks on them, the shelling across the border and across the line of control continued. For at least 3-4 hours there were violations of the ceasefire once again when the shelling continued, making it very clear that in Pakistan nobody seems to be in control.
Kashmir had a major problem for a long time. Much of that was reflected in the thinking of the government in an article called 370 of the Constitution, which somehow gave an impression that it was separate from the rest of the country. But Article 370 was abrogated. It was abrogated, and it was finally put to an end because so much time has passed. Subsequently, there was an election in 65% participation in election. There's an elected government in Jammu and Kashmir today. And therefore, for people to want to undo everything that has happened, the prosperity that has come to Kashmir is something which is very unfortunate.